Shampoo and condition the hair using Design Essentials Honey Cream Moisture Retention Shampoo and Almond Butter Express Instant Moisturizing Conditioner. Apply Bamboo and Silk Leave-In Conditioner on towel-dried hair. Blow dry the hair straight and apply a pea-sized amount of Silk Essentials Thermal Strengthening Serum before ironing the hair. Ironing the hair straight will make the cutting process a lot easier. Start the haircut in the back of the head and work forward. The clipper angle has to be flat and take one length of hair at natural distribution and at natural fall. Work from the middle to the left and from the middle to the right. While cutting, make sure your body position is straight forward and eyes are level to the head. Do not turn your head sideways because that can make the cut uneven. The next step is to polish the haircut. Tilt her chin down to her chest and cut any loose hairs. Tilt her hair to the right and do the same thing, and then to the left. Consider using scissors to make sure everything is precise. The last step is to blend and personalize the haircut to achieve the perfect result. Go to the interior of the hair and cut at the crown. Hold the hair at a 90-degree angle to cut. Continue this for the rest of the hair. Then pull the hair at a 90-degree angle from the occipital bone straight out and make sure the top and the bottom blend. Clean the interior of the hair so the look remains completely even. Once finished, check the symmetry to make sure the hair flows perfectly. The client's preference will determine the length of the fringe. You can cut a Chinese bang, a side bang, or a rounded bang.